The Dow off 300, NASDAQ down 277. Plenty of red this morning. Keith Fitz joining us. Hey, Keith, you say today is the perfect buying opportunity? Okay, spell it out. Exactly what are you buying today?
I'm going to go after stocks that Wall Street is hating the most, including nvidia and Tesla. And let me tell you why. If you go back to 2023, nvidia was valued at 62x earnings. If you look at what they just reported last quarter, we're talking 5x 2025 earnings. So this is an opportunity when things go on sale and you have great companies at the core of the industries that they dominate. You buy. You hold your nose. You may not like it. It's scary, but you buy.
And you also like Tesla, which is down, what is it, 5% today. You'd buy them at 249, Tesla?
I would, Stuart, and I hope I'm smart enough to buy a lot more shares because of robotics, because of the FSD we've talked about, because of the custom silicon that they're working on. Silicon, excuse me. I can't get that right. I haven't had enough coffee this morning. But yes, this is a company that's changing the world. Each of those components may be worth more in a few years than Tesla is as a whole today. There's $7 trillion on the sidelines, Stuart. It's all got to go somewhere. We haven't even gotten the good news yet.
Okay, so is this an overreaction to the tariffs? I mean, we're coming out of one of the worst quarters in years, and tariffs are responsible for much of the loss. And you say there's nothing to worry about?
Well, I mean, clearly worry is normal, and I'm not going to behold anybody for feeling that, right? I mean, this stinks. It's terrible, it's scary, and it's ugly when it hits your wallet. But again, people who understand tariffs are not going to be particularly put off by this. If they're selling into this, they don't understand tariffs because they've worked at pivotal moments in our national history, in the national history of other countries, where you're resetting the agenda, which is what the president is doing.
One last one. Why are you so bullish on Walmart?
Oh, this is the same thing, but with an added twist. It's got a low beta, which means it's very smooth, so I get a smoother ride versus all the other volatile stuff like nvidia and Tesla. But also, you've got tremendous customer loyalty. You've got an amazing online growth that's going after Amazon. And again, I think everybody says it's expensive today, but in 3, 4, 5 years, those earnings are going to look incredibly cheap.
Keith Fitz, thanks for joining us on a Monday morning.